Why exercise always helps women to be more beautiful skin, healthier hair, and more attractive. Section 1. Introduction. Women have long been known to exercise for many reasons, from losing weight to improving cardiovascular health. However, in addition to these well-known benefits, exercise also has many beauty benefits. Exercise can help women achieve more beautiful skin, healthier hair, and a more attractive appearance. In this article, we will explore the scientific reasons behind these beauty benefits and how exercise can improve women's overall appearance. Section 2. Improved skin health. Exercise has been shown to improve skin health in a number of ways. First, exercise increases blood flow, delivering nutrients and oxygen to the skin, which can help it look more youthful and radiant. Exercise also helps to reduce inflammation, which can be a contributing factor to acne and other skin conditions. In addition, exercise has been shown to increase the production of collagen, a protein that is essential for skin health. Collagen helps to keep skin firm and smooth, and exercise can help to prevent its breakdown. Exercise can also help to stimulate the production of elastin, another protein that is important for skin health. Section 3. Healthy hair. Exercise has also been shown to have many benefits for hair health. Exercise can improve blood flow to the scalp, which helps to nourish hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. Exercise can also help to reduce stress, which is a common cause of hair loss and other hair problems. In addition, exercise helps to increase the production of sebum, a natural oil that helps to keep hair healthy and shiny. Exercise can also help to remove toxins from the body, which can contribute to hair problems. Section 4. Improved posture. Exercise can also improve posture, which can contribute to a more attractive appearance. Poor posture can cause a number of health problems, including back pain and poor circulation, and can also make a person look less confident and attractive. Regular exercise, particularly strength training, can help to improve posture by strengthening the muscles that support the spine and other areas of the body. By improving posture, exercise can help to create a more attractive and confident appearance. Section 5. Weight loss. While exercise is not always necessary for weight loss, it can be a very effective way to achieve a more attractive and healthy body. Exercise helps to burn calories, which can help to create a calorie deficit and promote weight loss. In addition, exercise helps to build muscle, which can help to increase metabolism and burn more calories throughout the day. Exercise can also help to prevent the loss of muscle mass that can occur during weight loss, which can help to create a more toned and attractive appearance. Section 6. Improved confidence. Regular exercise can also help to improve confidence and self-esteem, which can contribute to a more attractive appearance. Exercise can help to reduce stress and anxiety, which can improve mental health and well-being. In addition, exercise can help to create a sense of accomplishment and mastery, which can improve self-esteem and confidence. By improving mental health and well-being, exercise can help women to feel more confident and attractive. Section 7. Improved energy and vitality. Exercise can also help to improve energy and vitality, which can contribute to a more attractive and youthful appearance. Regular exercise can help to improve cardiovascular health, which can increase stamina and endurance. In addition, exercise can help to increase the production of endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. By improving energy and vitality, exercise can help women to feel more vibrant and attractive. Section 8. The importance of consistency in exercise. While exercise can have many beauty benefits, it is important to be consistent in order to see results. Regular exercise is necessary to achieve and maintain the benefits discussed in this article. In addition, it is important to find an exercise routine that is enjoyable and sustainable. In order to maintain consistency. If you hate running, for example, you're less likely to stick with it and reap the benefits. Consistency is important for a few reasons. For one, it helps create a habit. When exercise becomes a regular part of your routine, you're more likely to stick with it long term. Secondly, consistency helps build on progress. If you only exercise sporadically, you're not giving your body enough time to adapt and improve. Consistent exercise helps your body continually adapt and improve, resulting in better long-term results. It's also important to note that consistency doesn't mean you have to exercise every day. Rest days are important to allow your body time to recover and repair itself. However, it is important to find a routine that works for you and that you can realistically stick with. In order to maintain consistency, it can be helpful to set specific goals and track progress. This can help keep you motivated and on track. It can also be helpful to find a workout partner or accountability buddy to help keep you motivated and accountable. In summary, consistency is key when it comes to exercise. It helps create a habit, build on progress, and ultimately leads to better long-term results.